Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg noodles with vegetables. First, let's get organized. You'll want to gather all your ingredients, including about 200 grams of egg noodles, a selection of your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, and essential seasonings like soy sauce. Preparing your vegetables by washing and chopping them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size, will ensure they cook evenly and quickly. This step is crucial. Now let's get those egg noodles perfectly cooked. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt, and bring it to a vigorous boil. Carefully add about 200 grams of egg noodles to the boiling water. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are al dente, following the package instructions. Once cooked, drain the noodles well and rinse them under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents them from clumping together, ensuring a delightful texture. Beyond the basics, Auto Layout offers advanced controls for even greater flexibility. You can set individual padding values for the top, right, bottom, and left sides of your frame. The Hug Contents property allows your frame to shrink or grow to perfectly fit its children. Conversely, Fill Container makes an item expand to occupy all available space. Plus, you can precisely control the alignment of items within your Auto Layout frame. Finally, let's bring everything together for a delicious meal. Add the perfectly cooked and drained egg noodles directly into the skillet with your vibrant, sautéed vegetables. Drizzle in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, or to your taste, and any other desired seasonings like a dash of sesame oil or a pinch of ginger. Gently toss all the ingredients together using tongs or 2 spatulas until everything is thoroughly combined and heated through. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade egg noodles with vegetables.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.